guys, I'm so excited. Finally, Hamster Kombat is asking us to deposit our Bybit or Bitget or Binance exchange. We should put our wallet address that they are going to reward us after 6 months of hard work. Hey, Jesus, I'm so happy, guys. So I'm going to be making this video to teach you guys how you can get your Hamster deposit address from Binance, so you don't make any mistake. Okay, please don't go and write rubbish in this memo. Don't go and write rubbish there to prevent a lot of people lost their money during dogs. They cannot shout outside. I'm telling you the fact. A lot of people claim that they did not receive shingbai because they go and wrote rubbish in that memo. Okay, don't write anything there except what you will copy from Binance. So we are going to head over to Binance and I'm going to teach you guys what you have, how to search for your deposit address and the memo. Please note, if you're not using Binance, I'm going to make other exchanges video later. Okay, and also for you to get to this page, once you open your Hamster Kombat, you click on Airdrop. And then you are going to see, it's going to ask if you want to deposit to exchange or on chain. Then you click or you choose Binance Exchange. If you are using Binance, by the way, so once you choose on Binance Exchange, it's going to bring you to a place like this. It will first ask you if you are already a user or you just want to register. So you can register, or if you're already a user, you just click on I already have an account, and it's going to bring you to a place like this. Then it's going to ask you for your Hamster deposit address and also for the memo, which we are going to copy now from our Binance Exchange. So let's head over to Binance Exchange. So here we are on our Binance Exchange. This is how the dashboard looks like, and all you have to do is just click on this deposit section here. Okay, you just click on deposit right over there and you will say deposit crypto. Of course, that's what we're depositing crypto. As a Nigerian, you cannot deposit naira. So once you click on deposit crypto, then you're going to search for Hamster. You see, it brought it out in ASAP. Then you click on it, Hamster Kombat. You're going to choose Coin Network. And guys, this is it. This is our address. You know, I told you guys, this is the memo I was telling you guys about. Make sure you copy this memo and you put it there at the memo section. And of course, this is your deposit address. So you click on this place to copy this address. You go and paste it at the address. And then you copy this one also and paste it at the memo. Guys, that is it. That's how you do it. Who is hey, money for my iPhone. Hey, wait, my $150. I will see you guys on my next one. What is it, baby? Go show. Bye bye.